So I have decided to take a quick trip into Kananaskis today. It's a sunny, warm day. It is not a weekend. This is the perfect time for me to come and explore Troll Falls and Marmot Waterfalls. It's a little bit of a hike. I think it's probably going to be an easier hike because this looks like it's not really off the beaten path, but it's a weekday, so I should probably have the trail to myself. Well, I keep on meeting the right people. Psalm 1 through 2 basically told me I needed to get off my butt today and get into the forest and meditate on the Word. Parked beside a guy who's finishing the hike, who likes to come to the forest to meditate on the Word. So, Mr. Douglas Santa, good to meet you. We'll connect later. Go find Troll Falls. Well, I found it. This is Troll Falls in Kananaskis, Alberta. Waterfall Smile. There is definitely fencing. There are suggestions that you don't go where I'm about to go. So that's why it's called Troll Falls right there. Kinda does look like it's looking at me. Creepy. I hear a waterfall. Where could it be? I'm behind the waterfall again. Trying to enjoy my Hawkins cheesies. He's trying to enjoy my Hawkins cheesies. Hi. Hi, everybody's. Everybody's. Hi, say hello. Say hello. Right there. Hi. What do you want from me? It's supposed to be wild. It's supposed to be wild. So this is just above Troll Falls, where the water goes off there. So this is Marmot Creek Falls in Kananaskis, Alberta. You can get behind this one too. Let's go. So this is the upper Marmot Creek Falls, and it really is quite a beautiful waterfall. So waterfall smile. Wow, okay, so there's a lot of waterfall on this hike. So the Troll Falls one is absolutely worth it. Just keep going up, waterfall after waterfall after waterfall. So smile after smile after smile. Just watch out for that bloody squirrel. By the way, it did poop on me. I'm just gonna walk up a little bit like this. The waterfall just keeps going. This is gorgeous. Hope it's not too bumpy for you guys. You're watching where I'm going, so I'll walk over there. It keeps going. Totally worth it. Well, this is the upper falls, and it's the end of the trail. I'll get you some shots. I forgot I have to do a waterfall smile. I've had too many. You know, I've been kind of trying to keep out of people's shots and away from people, but I'm meeting some really amazing people on these hikes, and I've been pretty open that I'm doing this to keep myself healthy because I'm trying to reunite with my family, at least my kids. But as I meet people and share my story, I'm pretty open about it. They seem to appreciate that openness and that courage. I just met oh my goodness, I've met people from across the whole world today. Anyways, I might start sharing a little bit about them a little bit as we go too. So it wasn't just Santa Douglas that I met too. I've met people from all over through the States today, Saskatchewan, in a couple different spots in Europe. It's a lot of fun. Well, that was the Troll Falls and Marmot Creek Falls hike. It is absolutely worth it. I think I'm close to another short hike where we might be able to find some more waterfalls. So I'm gonna go check that out. We have time today, and hope you're enjoying this. I am. The only thing better than watching, just do it. Just get out there.